Getting rid of knots on your back can be done with a simple few techniques. Here are some effective ways to help relieve those tight spots. So number one, stretching, obviously. Gentle stretches that help relax muscles. Try reaching your arms overhead and twisting your torso to ease tension. Number two, massage. So you can use your hands to massage the knots. Apply a firm pressure and move in circular motions. Alternatively, consider getting a professional massage for deeper relief. Number three, heat therapy. Apply a warm compressor or a heating pad to the affected area. Heat can help relax the muscles and improve the blood flow. Did you know that? Cold therapy, number four. If the knots are painful, try using an ice pack wrapped in a cloth for 15 to 20 minutes. This can reduce inflammation and numb the area. Number five, a foam roller. Use a foam roller to roll over the tight areas. This self-massage technique can help release tension. It helps me a lot. I use it every day. Number six, hydrated. You got to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your muscles hydrated and functioning properly. Do you know that it's related to that, to not having enough water? Number seven, posture awareness. Pay attention to your posture during daily activities. Good posture can prevent knots from forming. And if the knots persist or cause severe pain, consider consulting a healthcare professional for further advice.